Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is no clickbait video like any other videos that I have seen on YouTube available on how to download and save MP3 in gallery or in files that we can play in our own music player. So gone are those days that audios were MP3 were available flawlessly on various websites like emp3world.com or songspeaker.com. There is no website now. Everything is streaming online on various apps like Ghana.com, Wink Music, Spotify, and XYZ, etc. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you easy method on how to download and save audio files or mp3 files in your own gallery. In case you have a YouTube channel, you want a particular song to be added, or you are a social media influencer, you want some audios for your reels. So this video is definitely going to be helpful for downloading and saving the files in your own gallery. So it's a very quick short video. Without further delaying, let's start the video contains 5 to 6 final steps on how to do it, and just follow along with me. I have shown you this method for downloading mp3 files on iPhone. Same way you can follow on any Android phone as well.
To the mountaintops, let's go see them. Let's go see where artists spend their time. Time going above the trees, get a view of everything. Let's go see where artists spend. Sun's best. Let's go see where angels spend their time.